Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the best way to make money from home and start making money online in 2021. Check this out, guys. So these are some of my smaller incomes here, but you can see $195 from this website here, another one here, $125 here. And if we go to this one right here, another $172, as you can see here on the screen. And then if we go to this one here that I just started promoting here, you can see $23 and then $451 total with this one. Now, I have a smaller one here with TubeBuddy, over $389 here, and then another $53 here. Now guys, check this out. This is how I make money in 2021 by doing affiliate marketing. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this, but more importantly, how you can do it with these smaller affiliate commissions that can add up over time. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. I used to work a 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. Guys, I started my business in May of 2019. I started my YouTube channel, I started my affiliate marketing business, and within 6 months I created a 6-figure business, and within 9 months I quit my job in March of 2020, and now I'm doing this full time. So that's the main goal of my channel, is to help you achieve that financial freedom. So let's get into the video. So guys, as you know, I mostly talk about affiliate marketing, right? And that's the main thing I teach, that's the main thing I promote. But in this video, I want to do something a little different, right? I showed you some of the smaller income streams that I have, right? But these income streams add up over time, and it's something that you can add within any business, okay? So let me show you a few things that I'm doing to promote these smaller products, okay? Now, here's my blog here, okay? Now, this is an older blog that we started, a long time ago when I first started my business, but this blog still brings me traffic and it still gets me sales every single day, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly how that works. So as you can see here, I have a few different blogs that I'm promoting these smaller things here, right? So as you can see here, for example, if I click on this one, you can see that I'm promoting ClickFunnels versus GetResponse, right? So I'm kind of giving like an overview of the two things, right? Of the two softwares, right? So I love blogging because you can literally do this without having to get on camera, without having to use your voice. You can literally just write out blog reviews on certain products and softwares, right? Now, how am I making money with this, right? So obviously I'm writing reviews about these products here, okay? But more importantly, when people go to my website, then they go to like products like this, like Legendary Marketer. They might go check out my free course where I have more affiliate links. More importantly, I have I have affiliate links within the blog itself, right? So for example, if I zoom up a little bit here, you can see right here. So I have a affiliate link to ClickFunnels. So when people click on this, it literally takes them to my actual affiliate link, right? So as you can see here, it's got my affiliate link. So when people use this, they get some free valuable information on Google, but more importantly, they're gonna go through and they're gonna click on my affiliate links and buy, okay? Now, this is with blogging, right? I do have a free course on how you can set up a free website, affiliate marketing website that you can start generating traffic. I'll let you know where you guys can get that in just a bit. But as you can see here, throughout this whole blog, I'm giving people a review of the products, right? I'm showing them why they should use it, how much it costs, but more importantly, right, is everything, like for example here, everything you need to know about GetResponse. But as you can see here, I have my affiliate links, right? So guys, this adds up over time, right? Everyone talks about high ticket affiliate marketing, which is the main thing I teach, right? I think that's the biggest way to get, or the fastest way to get out of your job. But what people don't understand is I promote all these little products here that add up over time, right? So like things like Bluehost, things like ShareASale, GetResponse affiliate program, Thrive themes, right? These are all things that I use in my business and that I write about inside of my blogs and my YouTube channel, which I'm gonna show you in just a little bit. But that's basically my whole blog in a nutshell here, right? I'm giving someone value, but you can see here I have my affiliate links within these blogs here, okay? So that's how I do that. Now, I do have a free course on that, and that's this one right here. It's my step-by-step guide on how to start affiliate marketing business. Basically, this course is based on blogging, and I go through and show you step by step how to start an affiliate marketing website. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's called my free affiliate marketing blog course. You guys can go ahead and get access to that. Now, while we're on here, I wanna show you how I actually use this to make money, right? So it's a free course I created for you guys, but you know, there's obviously, I'm actually making money with this, right? So how am I actually making money, right? So if I scroll down, there's a few things I'm doing, right? Now, as you can see, I'm teaching people how to start their blog. More importantly though, if I keep scrolling down, you can see they need a website host to be able to create their website, right? So then, as you can see here, now I'm getting people to my Bluehost affiliate link here, right? So you can see I have one here, I have one here. So what I want you guys to understand is I'm giving people free value, right? It's a free course on how they can get started. Yes, it takes time to build out a course like this, but you gotta understand I'm making money from this course, right? And this is something I created a long time ago, right? So from here, you can see, you know, it's not a crazy amount of money, but it adds up over time. People will start going to these more and more. And then basically, guys, you're giving someone free value, right? You're giving someone a free course, but more importantly, on the back end is where you make your money, okay? So it's a little bit of work in the beginning, but on the back end is where you make all your money. And not only this, right? Not only am I making money with Bluehost, if I go back to my free course, I have, as you can see, get schema here, right? Get Bluehost here. This is my Fiverr affiliate link here, right? Here's another one I forgot to talk about. Let me see if I can go down. I talk about Legendary Marketer, right? Then I talk about other programs I promote. As you can see, it's a free course, but there's a ton of affiliate links, right? So when people get free value, they're gonna tend to use your links, guys, and that's how you do this game. This is exactly how I've been able to build a six-figure business, right? Is by giving people free value, okay? Now that's one way to do it. Now another one is simply by posting YouTube videos. Guys, this is literally the most powerful thing you can do. Now, of course, I know a lot of you guys, a lot of people don't like getting on video. I didn't want to get on video when I first started, and it's hard to get on video. But if you can somehow figure out how you can get the courage to get on video, then YouTube is the most powerful method on the planet, okay? And I'm gonna show you why. So let's just say someone is looking to do email marketing, right? So I have a video that I created here, how to build an email list, right? So I'm teaching people how to build an email list. More importantly, right, throughout this whole training, I have a few things, right? They have, I have my links inside of here where they can get a ClickFunnels trial, how they can get a Get Response trial, stuff like that, right? Again, I'm giving someone free value. I'm teaching them how to do something, but on the back end is where I make my money, right? And that's why YouTube is so powerful, because people can actually understand a lot better with video, and they're gonna be more likely to click on your affiliate links. Now, of course, I still make money with my blogs. I make a good amount with my blogs, but there's no doubt that YouTube is 10 times better and faster than a blog, okay? Just want to let you guys know that, and I focus more of my time into my YouTube channel, okay? Now, as you can see here, you know, I'm getting people to my ClickFunnels, to my Get Response, and that's how I make money, for example, with this program here, with Get Response, okay? So that's another way to do it. Now, another thing is, let me just show you another example here, right? This is a video I threw out a long time ago teaching people how to create their LLC for affiliate marketing, right? I get that question all the time, right? How do we create an LLC? How do we get our taxes done? So I did a video on that, and on the back end, right? Of course, I'm teaching people how to do something, but on the back end is how I get this ShareASale income, right? So you can see here 150 last month, 125 this month. Not a crazy amount, right? It's not like my crazy $50,000 a month other income streams, but these are the little ones that add up over time. And this is how you're gonna get to that six-figure business, right? Is by finding these other products that actually help people, and creating reviews or teaching them how to actually use the products, right? So this is another program I promote. It's called ShareASale. It's basically a network, kind of like ClickBank or JVZoo, but it's a little different because they have other products that you can promote, and that's what I did right here in my in this video that still gets me views to this day, guys. As you can see, it's not like a crazy amount of views, but what happens is you start creating these assets over time. You start creating these videos, and later on they pay off. They start paying off, you know, months, 6 months, years down the road. And you guys got to understand that you're creating this asset, right, which is YouTube or blogging, right? Any type of SEO asset is going to be huge when it comes to online marketing. Now, a few other examples here, guys. Yeah, so this is the one I talked about here with the LLC. As you can see, this link here shows them how to create their LLC for their business, which is the one I just talked about. Now, one more, guys, I want to show you, and this is an old one I did. So if someone goes and types in ClickFunnels step-by-step tutorial, they can go down here and my video shows up, right? Now, this is an old video again, okay? What I want you guys to understand is the power of YouTube and the power of blogging, right? I'm not talking about TikTok. I'm not talking about Instagram or Facebook. Those are great. I love them. I love TikTok. But at the end of the day, YouTube and blogging will always stay because these are search engines. People are asking, they're searching for a solution to their problem. And that's why I love YouTube, because it's so powerful, because people are searching for you, right? As you can see here, Kevin David created a video on how to use ClickFunnels 3 years ago, and he's still getting views on this video right now. Same thing with mine, right? I can go ahead and create another video for 2021, which is probably something I'm gonna do, right? Now I can make even more money in the future, right? I'm creating more and more real estate in the YouTube platform itself. Now, one more thing I wanna mention, guys, and how you can make money from home and how you can start making passive income is the power of YouTube. So if I go to my YouTube channel, you can see not only do I get paid with these affiliate sales, right? But YouTube actually pays me to make content, right? So almost $2,000 in the last 28 days just by posting content on YouTube. Guys, this is powerful because now not only do you get paid for the affiliate links that you have, but you also get paid just to create the content. So it becomes very, very powerful. And if you guys can understand the power of YouTube and what I'm trying to teach you, you guys will understand that this is how you do affiliate marketing moving forward, right? I see a lot of people focusing on TikTok, focusing on Instagram Reels and all this trendy stuff, right? Which I love. I obviously use TikTok, I use Instagram, but the thing is that will eventually die one day, right? And at the end of the day, you want to have a long-term and sustainable business, which is by creating a YouTube channel, creating a blog, more importantly, creating an email list. And that's how you create a six-figure business, not only now, but for the long term. So guys, I hope this video was a value. I hope it was an eye-opener on, you know, how I run my business and how I actually see predictable income every single month, right? It's not like I make, you know, $10,000 this week and then $500 in the next month, right? Guys, I'm very, very consistent. Not only am I consistent, but it's gradually growing every single month because YouTube starts growing and my blog starts getting more traffic, and that's how you start growing your business. And you know, I know for a fact, I'm guaranteed to hit that 7 figures one day just using this method. I'm not even talking about paid ads. So I hope this video was of value, guys, and kind of opens your eyes to see like what you need to do to create a long-term and sustainable business and how you can do this moving forward. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be coming out with videos almost every single day. And if you guys want to learn exactly how I built a 6-figure business, I have a link down below on how you can get started with my 3-day challenge. It's only $7, guys. It's gonna show you exactly step by step, click by click, how you can get started and everything you need to grow a long-term and sustainable business. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you guys on the next one.